Izindaba zohora lokuqala sokwethulela zona bukhoma yokumkhuleli SABC eAuckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
Brown advised me that in order to keep Vusi, I should inform Vusi that I have a good and direct relationship with the minister and his office.
Usomabhizinisi wase-Northwest uSuleiman Karim uthi kwamcacela ngemva kwesikhathi ukuthi uBrown Mokhotsi noVusumuzi Matlala bayazana futhi badlala ngaye ngemva kokuthi kaxhasa inkampani kaMatlala ngeyigidi eziyishumi zamarandi. Bokuyinhlokomo yodwa ingxenye zase-Iran ngemva kokumenyezelwa komholi omusha waleliyaza uMujtaba Khamenei nongena kesikhundleni esikayise obulawa ekuqaleni kwempi ephakathi kweMelika yelakwa-Israel ne-Iran.
Sibe nenhlanhlaka ukuthi uMgundlovu District Municipality isithumelelile abe-drone.
Namhlanje kuthungathwe isidumbu sokugcina emfuleni uthukela endaweni yaseMsinga ngemva kokuthi imoto eyayithwele abantu abayishagalombili imukeke namanzi ngesikhathi kuyibloho. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ke izindaba elikeze uhora lokuqala ezinqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo ke la ku SABC Lehigh. Igama lami nginguDawu. Ikhomishina kaMadlanga isichithile isicelo sikasomabhizinisi uSuleiman Karim obefuna kulalela ubufakazi bakhe ngaphandle kokuvela esihlangalaleni. uKarim usendlaleleke isithangami sekhomishana ngokuthi ke uxhumana kanjani nosomabhizinisi kababili abasematheni kamuva nje uBrown Mokhotsi kanye ke noVusumuzi Matlala.
uSuleiman Karim ulandise isithangami sekhomishana ngodaba lwenkontileka yethenda lezigidi zamarandi kaMatlala ayehlomulwe ngayo embuthweni wamaphoyisa egcine isihoxiswa ngenxa yokusolisa kwayo. uKarim uthi wafaka izigidi eziyishumi zamarandi ukweseka uKhetmatlala ngosizo lwemali okunguyo bengumxhumaniso omkhulu phakathi kwabo kudalule ukuthi bekunguBrown Mokhotsi.
Brown advised me that in order to keep Vusi, I should inform Vusi that I have a good and direct relationship with the minister and his office. I advised Brown that this was a joke because I had no relationship with either the minister or his office. Brown's reasoning was that I should make Vusi believe that I have a relationship with the minister's office and that he would communicate directly with the minister's offices if, when, and required.
uKarim uthi kuhambe wabona ukuthi uMokhotsi noMatlala bahlangene ngaye kulona lonke lolu daba lwethenda.
It was clear that both of them were playing me, and I cannot understand why Brown would advise me to resend it to Vusi. Thereafter, Vusi started to avoid me. At this stage, the Medicare 24 was being reported to the media to have been terminated.
Udabeni lokuxhumana kwakhe noMokhotsi utshele isithangami ukuthi imilayezo yeWhatsApp akasenayo ngenxa yokuthi usesebenzisa umakhalekhukhwini omusha.
On your current iPhone, do you not import your old WhatsApp messages for an archive?
No.
But you would cooperate with the Commission in going onto your iCloud to try to retrieve your old WhatsApp communications with Mr. Mokhotsi?
I'd have to consult my legal team on that, Council, and come back to you.
Thank you. Let's proceed.
uSuleiman Karim uyaqhubeka nobufakazi bakhe ePitoli.
Then on the 14th...
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State isihlehlisele kumsombuluko ozayo ke isicelo sikaMoradi Choloto sokuphikisa isinqumo sayo kwinkantolo esikhiphe ngenyanga eyedlule odabeni lokubuyiswa kukaCholota ke kuleli isu seMelika. Kanti ke kusenjalo olwabo bonke ke abasolwa ke udaba lizobela ke inkantolo mhla zesishagalolunye kuMbasa.
If we were dealing with good faith litigants, then what would have happened is that we would have received a response to our application as we had filed a response last year to the application for the reservation of questions of law. Not heads of argument that are given to us at 10 a.m. when in fact have been in the possession of the state since goodness knows when.
Kantolo namhlanje bekungukuthi ithole kahle ukuthi kungani Legal Aid South Africa yanqaba ukumela umsola wokuqala kuleli icala wayinhloko yomnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu Timothy Mokhethi. Mokhethi wasala engenammeli ngomasingana ngenkathi kuhoxa ummeli wakhe ecaleni ngenxa yenkinga zemali. Kusenjalo inkantolo ibe isihlehlisela umhlazi isishiyagalolunye kumbasa icala elibhekene nabo bonke abasolwa kanti ngakolunye uhlangothi ummeli kaMorodi Tsholoda usazokwenza izethulo zakhe ngenhloso yokuphikisa isinqumo sangenyanga edlule odabeni lwendlela abuyiswa ngaye eMelika uTsholoda.
How much time do you think you need?
Monday, my lord. Monday next week would be sufficed.
Bese lehlehlisela umsombuluko ozayo udaba likaTsholoda.
I will postpone this matter to Monday the 16th of March 2026 at 9:30 in the morning.
Sekuneminyaka libambezeleka leli icala njengoba ukuboshwa kwabasolwa kwenzeka ngo2020 kodwa kuze kube manje akacaca ukuthi libheke kuphi.
Umbutho wezokuvikela nabaholi ke bezepolitiki eIran sebefunge ngokuthi ke bazokweseka umholo omusha wase-Iran uMujtaba Khamenei nongena ke esikhundleni esikayise ubulawa ke ekuqaleni kwempi phakathi kweMelika yela kwaIsrael neIran.
Iya ngokudlondlobala ingxabano eqhubekayo phakathi kweMelika, Israel neIran. Lokho njengoba umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump ebhodla umlilo ngokuqoka komholi omkhulu omusha wase-Iran ozongena esikhundleni sikayisa Ayatollah Khamenei owahlaselwa wabulawa emasontweni amabili adlule. uTrump ugcizelela ukuthi akafuni ukuxoxisana nohulumeni wase-Iran futhi ufuna iIran izinikele ngokuphelele kungenjalo isazoyikhotha imbenge eyomile. Kusenjalo iIran ibungaze ukuqoka komholi wayo omusha uMujtaba Khamenei uthi angeke iyeke ukuzivikela kwamabhokolo afana neMelika nokulwela amandla okuzimela kwezwe layo. Selokhu kuqale lempi yokuhlaselwa kweMelika neIsrael sekubulawe abantu abangaphezulu kwe1,300 kwelase-Iran kubalwa nezingane ezicishe zibe 200.
Namhlanje kuthungathwa ke isidumbu sokugcina emfuleni uthukela endaweni yaseMsinga ngemva kokuthi ke imoto yayithwele abantu abayishagalombili imuke namanzi ngesikhathi kuyibloho.
Njeke sizoqalisa ngenhla kothukela lapho kuthiwa khona isenhlongo. Ama unit akhona namhlanje ukusisiza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sithole nalo oyedwa sesele. Sino disaster waseMsinga, ufire waseMsinga, udisaster waseMvoti kanye no fire waseMvoti. Sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi uMgungundlovu District Municipality usithumelelile abe drone abazokwazi ukuthi besizeke nje ngiyacabanga ukuthi umubuka lapha ngemumva yibo abazokwazi ukuthi besizeke ukuthi ke sizojika nje sibheke nalapha ngezansi uwona kumfula lwesoqala khona ukuthi sehle nawo njalo sesibheka ukuthi ke lo osele singamthola kuphi.
Ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uvele inkosini Hlabisa ubambe kumhlangano ophuthuma ke nomasipala wesifunda sasothukela ngemva kokubanjwa kwemali esebhange yalo masipala ngenxa ke yombango wesikweletu esingaphezulu kwezigidi eziyikhulu zamarandi. Bokeleke siucoshe bukhoma noma ke sicoshe bukhoma okwenza ukuona lo mhlangano.
I don't even is necessary to respond now, Mr. Chili. Rather, it comes under the way forward. If there is a need for an engagement, we may pronounce so. Whatever way, from a technical point of view, you will guide us as to how can we take this one forward, because we need to find a common ground. Where there was no engagement, let's create an opportunity for an engagement. 13% they feel was too much, but it was discussed. You can still also carry on engaging until you reach a level of understanding why 13%, why it cannot be reduced going forward, benchmarking with other areas, and open engagement is what can make this find a common ground as a way to move forward. Because what is good, the business is willing to come on board.
Mbukelweni ake uvele Nkosini ke Hlabise etholake lapha enkulumo yakhe eMnambithe esifundazweni eKwaZulu Natal. Kwamanje sathi qo ezitolo unganyakazi sizobuya ke nezinye izindaba. Asikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena mbukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi le ndaba ke ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzozicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjalo zosithola ngomjalo bazo. Umbuso kulindele ukuthi kubize ufakazi omusha ebhokisini ke lo ufakazi namhlanje eqoleni kuyecala labesilisa abayisithupha abasolayo ngokubulala ngesihluku abantu abayi-18 esigodini saseNgobozane eTsikisiki. Njengamanje ke sixhumana ke nentatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC ufundisa Mhlekude olandelela ke lona lolu daba. Fundiswa sikubingelele sikwamukela izindaba ekeze ohara lokuqala emini. Ingabe ke ubani ke lo ufakazi omusha namhlanje kanti futhi yini ekulindele ukuthi yenzeke enkantolo sukela namhlanje?
Enkosi Dauda ufakazi omtsha okanye ingqina elitsha elibiziweyo ekseni namhlanje nguSergeant Phumelele Ntanjana. Yena ke ebenika ubungqina ngendima awathi wayenza ekuhambiseni umkhanelwa okanye ummangalelwa wesine uBonga Yinza esiyokwenza imvumotyala okanye iconfession ku Lieutenant Colonel Diko eMthatha. Nalapho ke lithi igqwetha lakhe uthi ummangalelwa wakhe akazange yena enze iconfession okanye imvumotyala, utsho esithi futhi zange afundelwe namalungelo akhe xa eyokwenza leyo confession. Uyakhumbula ke ukuba sixoxa ityala elingaphakathi kwityala lokubulawa kwabantu abali-18 eNgobozana apha eLusikisiki. Kwiiveki ezimbini ezidlulileyo amangqina eselebiziwe ke ngumbuso ebesele ngama-38. Namhlanje kuphela sele kubizwe amangqina 2. Elesibini elisaxoxayo njengangoku ndithetha nawe nguLieutenant Colonel Zwelenkosi Diko. Yena ke ngulo wathatha iconfession okanye imvumotyala kummangalelwa wesine uBonga Yinza. Lisaqhuba ke ityala nje okwangoku kusathathwe ikhefu, lizawuphinde libuye emva kwecala emva kwentsimbi yokuqala emva kwemini nje. Daud.
Sibonga kakhulu mbukeli yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC ufundisa Mhlekude esibikela bukhoma ke elapha ke eTsikisiki. Alihlala namhlanje icala lokubulawa kukaSenzo Mewa ngenxa yokungabikho kogesi ke nokukhahlameza inkantolo ke ephakeme ePitoli. Lokuza emva ukuthi komsala wesibili uBongani Ntanzi bekulindele ukuthi abuyele ebhokisini ke lofakazi ukuyoqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi. Umugesi ungekho inkantolo ngeke ikwazi ukuqopha konke okuqhubekayo ngaphakathi enkantolo. Ngakho ke lokhu kwenze ukuthi ke leli cala liguqiswe namhlanje. Ukuqoshwa ke kanye nokubhala okuqhubekayo kenkantolo kuyingxenye yenqubo yenkantolo. Kuphazamiseka ugesi nje umbuso bekulindele ukuthi uqhubeka ke nokuphosa ngembuzo Ntanzi ngobufakazi obuthinta ezingcingashaya izithombe azithwebule ezavundulela kumakhalekhukhwini wakhe ngesikhathi esesitokisini ngaphakathi laphana ke phakathi kukaNhlangulane nolu ngo-2020. Namhlanje isigcawu sejaji uBess Nkabinde siphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi we-NPA eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke silalela kubufakazi balo wayephoyisa ngaphansi ke kophiko lwamaphoyisa seKhetomeno uAri Danikas.
Ari Danikas oyilungu lophiko lwamaphoyisa seKhetomena namhlanje ulandise isigcawu esiphenya ngobuqotho bomqondisi ophiko lokushushiswa amacala omphakathi eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke ngokwakwenzeka ngesikhathi esebenza ngaphansi kukaMajor General Johan Booysen, njengoba kuzwakala ukuthi uBooysen uyaziqhelelanisa nezigameko ezazenziwa uphiko lwaseKhetomena. uAri Danikas uhlonywa ngemibuzo ngummeli kaChauke uAdvocate Thembeka Ngcokaithobi.
The reason I'm asking you these questions is that there is a story in this case. I'm not sure if General Booysen has given a statement yet, but he is trying to distance himself from the operations of Ketomano. But you've shown us the actual documents that administratively he is the person in charge of Ketomano. Do you want to comment on that?
Chair, absolutely. Like I said, Johan Boysen was the godfather of the Ketomano unit. No decision were taken if it wasn't cleared by Johan Boysen. And I know that because of the personal friendship I had with him. So he'll be in my store every day going for lunch, almost every day. And he will give me a progress report because he was very proud of such an achievement, which is the pet project, that Ketomano unit.
Usaqhubeka.
Amalungu ekomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende eliphenya nge-SAPS abehlangene ke ngohlelo lwe-internet ngenjongo yokubhunga ngohlu lwamagama ofakazi okulindeleke ukuthi bazovela ke phambi kwalo ke leli komiti kuleli sonto njengoba ke sekubalwa amasonto ngaphambi kokuba ke liphuthule umsebenzi walo.
Kusasa kulindeleke ukuthi ikomiti lizwe ubufakazi buka Lieutenant General Hilda Sinthimule kanye no Fidel Adams bese kuthi ngolesithathu kuvele uLieutenant General Francina Vuma. Ngolwesine kulindeleke ukuthi yakhuze ibuya umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kuzwe lonke uGeneral Fani Masemula kanye nomkhuzo wamaphoyisa esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Yize kunjalo kepha ukuvela kukaMkhwanazi kungase kuphazamiseke ngenxa yezinhlelo zePhalamende.
On Thursday, it includes General Masemula and General Mkhwanazi, and because there is going to be a sitting which will run until 5, then it means General Mkhwanazi can only appear on Friday.
Lungu ekomiti yakholelwa ukuthi ikomiti kufanele liphothule ngaye uMkhwanazi.
Even as the program or the schedule states there, the General Mkhwanazi is returning to respond to issues that witnesses has raised. So if we hear other witnesses' testimony after the last appearance of General Mkhwanazi, that's procedurally wrong.
Let us just schedule the witnesses, like one per day, Chair, especially the high profilers and former generals. As you could see what happened last week, we thought we would finish sooner. A lot of information comes up. So let's just learn from what we need.
Kulindeleke ukuthi ikomiti liphothule umsebenzi walo mhla zingamashumi-30 nomuvo kwephezulu.
Umndeni kalowo bengumholi weCOPE Musiwa Likota ongasekho ke emhlabeni uthi ulindele ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ahambele umngcwabo kaLikota ngomgqibelo. Abomndeni bathi umengameli wezwe ukhombisa ukuzimisela ukwethamela ke lenkonzo yomngcwabo kodwa ke lokhu kuzoqinisekiswa ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Obambe njengosihlalo weCOPE kuze lonke uthi inkonzo yokuqala yesikhumbuzo seqhawe lomzabalazo Musiwa Likota manje isizobanjwa ngolesithathu esikhundleni sokuthi ibanjwe ngolwesibili njengoba bekuhleliwe. Lenkonzo kulindeleke ukuthi singathwe ebandleni lamakatholika eRegina Mundi eSoweto nokuyisonto uLikota bekhuleka kulo eGauteng.
Family and COPE agreed to change from Tuesday to Wednesday. Wednesday at Regina Mundi Catholic Church, the iconic struggle venue for our people. The reason being, apart from the people of Soweto, Regina Mundi feeling that they want to play a role in the send-off of Ntatele Likota.
I'm sitting in the planning committee. The president has indicated to the delegation that he wants to be part of this. But I think because of the planning and everything, those details will be made by the committee. But definitely he's the one who was driving them to come and be part of this.
Inkonzo yomngcwabo kaLikota izobanjwa ngomgqibelo eOld Grey Sports Centre eBloemfontein.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu nganyakaza. Ukule sizibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona emino zakwethu bayeza nezindaba ngolimi lesindebele emagamanxa kuyehora lesihlanu ntambama kanti thina sizobuya ke nezinye izindaba ngehora ke lesikhombisa kusihlwa. Okwamanje sale ekhaya.